Welcome back for another home tour. Today we are about 25 minutes out from downtown Richmond in the Highlands community in their newest section, Lake Margaret. Today we are visiting a model home built by Richmond American Homes, and this is their Donovan floor plan. Now, a little bit about Richmond American Homes is they are not a new builder. However, they are newer to the Richmond, Virginia market. This floor plan, as you'll see, is amazing. It is very spacious and there are so many different design layouts. While Richmond American does sell spec inventory, meaning homes that are already built or nearing completion, you can actually still build a home with them from the ground up. In this particular community, they offer a variety of spacious floor plans on spacious 1-acre lots. That's at minimum. This home, as you'll see with all of the upgrades and finishes, would sell in the mid 800,000s. The price point for this community starts in the mid 600s as far as base floor plan price. Now, of course, when you go to the design center and you select any options, upgrades, change layouts, all of those things does come with a dollar sign. So that's added on top of the base price. Now, a lot of the finishes that you'll see in this model home are actually standard with this community, which is amazing. But I wanted to throw out there that they actually are currently offering an incentive where they are offering $25,000 worth of credit that you can take to the design center, meaning your first $25,000 worth of design finishes, upgrades, it's on them. And then anything additional will be added to your base price. This is something that they're offering because it is a very new community and they are incentivizing the first buyers. Now, if you've been around for a while, you know I am a fan of a 2-story great room. It is like the best wow factor for me. And the fact that this home has it is amazing. However, there's a different design layout for this home that does not include the 2-story great room, but you can actually add an additional bedroom over the great room area. If you have any questions about Richmond American as a builder, any questions about the community, this floor plan, the other floor plans that they offer, please don't hesitate to reach out. I will leave my information down below. And as always, I am your home girl. I'm here for all your real estate needs. So please think of me.